Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use coupons on your PandaBuy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you have logged in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, if you wish to use any coupons on your account, just click on your account icon once again and then click on Wallet. Now, within your Wallet section, you will see the coupon option at the top. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the option to enter your redeem code to directly activate your coupon. Just enter your coupon code within the redeem code box and then click on the Convert button. Once you click on this and the redeem code has been verified, your coupon will be activated on your device right away, and you will be able to find it underneath available coupon. And now you will be able to use this coupon while you make your payments and purchases from PandaBuy. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a coupon on your PandaBuy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.